Okay, today we are going to do the windshield wiper intermittent control mod. I saw this on the Brick Pigs website, and of course it's on all the forums now too, but this shouldn't be too hard, I hope. And I'll put the information down below where I found this part. It was eBay, but I'll give the specifics so you can try and look up a similar part. It only runs about $35–40 bucks. So now we're going to disconnect the negative terminal of the battery because we're working with a steering column and we don't want to accidentally set off the airbag. And this is a 10mm wrench I'm using on the negative terminal here. Make sure you save all your radio presets because otherwise they'll go bye-bye. Alright, so that's all set. Okay, the first thing is to lower the column all the way down and pull it all the way up. And next you just squeeze that. And it comes right apart, supposedly. Let's see how we're doing here. We'll do the same on the other side. And it just comes right out like that. Some dust in there. Okay, hit pause. Okay, so this is the part I got on eBay. And it's probably easier to show here how it unhooks from the rest of the column. There's a little tab right here. You just push down the screwdriver and then this slides right out. Now this one came with some cut-off wires and the connectors, which we can remove, but actually we're going to save these because another project from Brick Pig is how to add intermittent to the rear wiper, and it would be nice to use some of these wires for that project. Okay, now we'll just remove first these two white connectors on the bottom. Use your thumbnail on that. You can see the little tab is in there, right inside there. Okay, then we push this tab here. This releases the old lever. Just pushes, basically pushing it straight in. There it goes, that comes right out. Then I like to check the old versus the new just to make sure everything looks like it'll line up, and it does. And this just slides in, nice click, hook up the two connectors, one, two, put the covers back on here.
You're going on the right.
I'm going on the right what?
Well, your elbow, when you put that on, your elbow is like over
We're good.
it.
And in the bottom, snaps up.
Like that, they could see the right side.
Go. This side looks good. I can put this back where it was, I think. Alright, so now we'll hook up the battery and give it a test. Okay, now we'll just hook the negative terminal back up here. Tighten that up with our 10mm wrench. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to close the hood now. lucky will be the rain. So let's change the angle. A little light.
Still going.
I know. We'll see how these delayed wipers work. So here's the water. Just don't get in the camera. Really. Spray the windshield. And that was it. Works perfect. That's just a bottle of water in the spray bottle. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more.